Hey guys, today I'm going to be driving in the police car that I made. Look at all these. This is what I created, a West Yorkshire police car 69, Great Britain, West Yorkshire. This is a good car. It's a Peugeot slow coach. Let's just upgrade this. I can't. So, my voice is changing. Yeah. So, here is my car, and look how much coins I made from selling and designing cars. Yeah. Yes, now let's go. If I speak very quietly like this now, and my voice is changing, so yeah. Normally shout like this in class, but that's just to annoy some people, because I hate class being boring, so I just scream. But anyways, look at this. It's a good car. It's me Peugeot for now. Then I'm selling it for 10,000 coins. Sheesh. Traffic lights are good. Got new tires and everything. If you look at the logbook, it's no one's name because I'm selling it. If we go back, let's see all the tuning. Maxed out V8 4.5, sport tires, and yeah, I mean it's the best ones. The tires are 91% because I just got them brand new. Because like, you know, I'm selling it, but I just rode it, so just gonna get it done. So I've been that way, and let's go this way this time. It's driving like a charm. So the cars that I sold were a BMW and a designer car that I bought for cheap, which is like 12,000 money, not coins, money, but it was sick. And then one of them I sold for 100,000 cheap as well, because it's a designer. You can sell it for coins. That's because it got rejected because it was kind of too expensive and I couldn't sell it again, but someone else could, so I just sold it. Yeah, I mean, look at this. It's a police car. This I haven't got the police £10 make yet, so yeah. By the way, I've got a BMW M8, so I need to top up my fuel. Okay, I need an eco drive. This car is I've designed it for like 2 hours. Yeah, and it took me another day to put the final touches. Let's just turn left here. Got exhaust pop, and if we go to a multiplayer, it looks like a real car. We even got the West Yorkshire little things, you know.
It's a good car, you know.
The MPG is quite good, and I've already done 69 miles. I promised that go on purpose, but you guys think it will. Purpose. Oh, free gas. Oh, this filled for 126. Damn. Normally it's like 140, and and I've done 70 miles on it because I was just testing this car, so it's good for sale. Let's drive in manual for. So you guys might think I'm not sure how to drive a manual. Well, I know you guys are wrong. So clutch, second, go. And then you will know if I stop, it'll turn. And there's someone that crashed me, so yeah. We just need to turn it on by touching the clutch and then drive. And yeah, it's simple. Oh, it's here, 800.1. And
yeah, so and let me just show you my BMW I know as well. Where's my Beamer? Where's my Beamer? Here it is.
This is my BMW. And look guys, I got a custom body parts for coins. Yeah. And just to prove to you that this is a real M8. One sec. There you go. Just get back, then drive it. I'll show you this mileage as well. I think this will be quite less than the Lexus. Yeah, 150. And let me just show you my. This is my current car. It's a Ford. Well, I created it. So it's a Ford. So let's see the mileage on this. You'll be quite happy to know this mileage. Let's just break everything. Engine is damaged. 45. Quite good.